Greetings, Wizarding Wands and Mickey Ears friends. As you might be aware, mobile ordering has been around at Disney World for a while, but with the reopening last summer, it's become the main way to access quick service meals almost everywhere on property. Take a look at this tutorial from our visit to the Harambe Market at Animal Kingdom Park. When you open the My Disney Experience app, you will want to scroll to the bottom and then click on the plus symbol on the navigation bar. Then select the Order Food button. This brings you to a page with a listing of all of the quick service locations that offer mobile ordering. Scroll to the location where you would like to eat and then click the next available time, or select the More Times option to select a time in the future. If you order for a future window and the time that you'd like to return changes after you order, you can always modify this as availability allows. Since it was still the main lunchtime when we ordered, we expected to have to wait a bit for the earliest return time. When we clicked the app, the next available window for where we wanted to eat was about 20 minutes away, so we placed our order while we were at the front of the park. By the time we made our way back, it was time for us to check in. Once you select your location, you can either scroll through the whole menu or select one of the navigation options to bring you to a specific part of the menu more quickly. I selected the entrees icon. Some locations also have selections for allergy-friendly meals. We have a nut allergy in the family, so I always look for this option and select it when available. There are usually several different types of allergies that are addressed in these sections, such as peanut tree nut, gluten, soy, egg, milk, or shellfish. If you have more significant allergies, you will want to speak to the cast member at the quick service location entrance, and they can help you with ordering in person. When it comes to beverages, the selections can vary slightly from location to location, but they're usually fairly similar. Beverages are priced pretty high, so it's worth it to bring your own water bottles or request a free cup of ice water from the counter when you pick up your food. Once you are done, you will want to select View My Order. From there, you can either modify or go to Review Order Summary. At the bottom of the page, you will need to click on Continue to Checkout, which will bring you to the payment options. I always like to review my order to make sure that we didn't accidentally double order or miss someone's meal. We have a credit card stored with our My Disney Experience account, but we decided to pay with a gift card for this order. I entered the numbers for benefit of the video, but we usually have the gift card numbers of the cards that we're using on that trip saved in our phone Notes app, and then we just cut and paste the numbers into the app when we mobile order our meals. Unfortunately, it's not possible to store gift cards in the My Disney Experience account payment section at this time. When dining plans are available again, this is also where you'll be able to select whether or not you'd like to use your dining plan. When you are done entering your payment information, select Purchase. If your arrival window is available right away, you can click on I'm here and they'll start preparing your food immediately. If your window isn't open yet, you'll need to wait until the I'm here, prepare my order button is available to you. If you have push notifications allowed on the app, you'll get a notification when this window opens. I've noticed that it's usually available about 5 minutes before the selected window. Once your order is ready, you'll get a notification that will bring you to the Order Ready screen. For the time being, in order to allow for distancing in the quick service locations, you'll need to show this screen to the cast member at the entrance to be allowed into the pickup and seating area. From there, go to the corresponding pickup window to get your food. You'll also need to show the screen with your order number to the cast members at the pickup counter so they know which order is yours. I wanted to also take this opportunity to point out how wonderful, varied, and even healthy quick service and counter service meals can be at Disney World. So many people expect that planning to eat at quick service or counter service restaurants means that they'll be stuck with burgers, pizza, chicken nuggets, and fries. While you certainly can find those options at various locations, they are by no means the only or even most plentiful options at the quick service locations. I recommend that you take some time reviewing menus so that you know what to expect or where you might want to plan around eating on your trip. I hope this video helps as you plan for your next Disney World vacation.
Let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. New videos every Friday, so click the bell icon to have an alert sent to you so you don't miss out. If you or someone you know would like help planning a Universal or Disney vacation, please contact us at the email on your screen.